Can you potty train a hamster? Let's find out. We've been educating ourselves onto hamster culture, and there have been a lot of really cool, helpful videos out there on YouTube. I'll link to some of those below where we have done a lot of our hamster education. And one thing that really blew my mind was the whole concept of hamster potty training. And apparently, all you have to do is put a little bit of sand in a shallow dish like this, and the hamster will know just what to do. So we're gonna try it. So this is Zita. Hey, yeah. Zita.
Hey, Zita.
How you doing? Oh, don't escape.
Don't escape.
I'm going to introduce the potty. We're going to do a whole bathroom reno right now. So let's just nestle that right there.
Ooh, she's I think she's smelling it. She goes inside. She's digging. I think that is how they make more space to pee.
You think so?
Yeah, I think. Wait, can you introduce me so they don't know I'm just like a sultan?
Okay. This is the voice you've been hearing. This is Elliot, the Zita's wonderful caretaker. Wow, she's sure like scurrying in there.
She might be. I think she might setting the potty up, so like she plumbing the potty. Everybody has their potty to be plumbed.
Oh my goodness. Holy smokes. Is that a little bit of hamster pee right there?
Yeah. Let's zoom it in.
Hot dang.
Yay.
That is how you potty train a hamster.
Actually, yeah, she's already potty trained.
Yeah, like you just natural born potty trained hamster. I'm legit like, what? I was expecting we were going to do a little like, okay, well, here's the sand pit. We're going to come back in the morning and see if there's anything in there. But she did it right away. That's impressive, right?
Yeah.
Can